so much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Whoa! Hey! You probably didn't recognize me with my hard hat on and my safety vest. Oh, and look down here. Yeah. Whoa! Yeah, this and that back there, these are what's called a skid steer. And today, in this video, I am gonna show you some fun things to do with the skid steer. Okay, gotta get this nice and perfect. I'm ready. Hey, seatbelt on, lap bar down, let's fire up. Okay, here I go. Whoa! Will you pick a skid steer with me so we can drive it? Yeah, come on. There's so many right here. Should we drive this one? Nah. What about this one? Whoa, nah. This one? It's a dandy, but nah. This one? No. Whoa! This one looks awesome! Okay, I'm gonna drive it, but in order to drive it, we need some safety equipment on. Okay, got my hard hat, and then I got my safety vest. It's nice and bright and orange, so then everyone can see us. It's so safe! Okay, and last but not least, check that out! I got the keys! Okay, seatbelt, lap bar, here we go! Do you hear that engine purr? Yeah! Nice purr! Meow! Okay. Yeah. Here I go! Side of the skid steer. See? I'm wearing my safety belt. That is the first rule. All right, now I'm buckled in. These are how you operate the skid steer. This one makes the skid steer go forward. Whoa, backward, left and right. Woo, whoa. And then this one operates the bucket. Whoa, 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 whoa. Pull it back, it raises. Push it forward, it lowers. Okay, now I'm gonna lower the lap bar and then scoop a giant bucket. Here we go. Oh wait, I'm gonna tell you to get away real quick by the horn. Watch out. Here I come. Yay! Watch this! I'm gonna raise the bucket really high in the sky! Whoa! Whoa! Look at how high it is up there! Okay, I'll bring it back down. Oh, that's so cool! I'm gonna take off now! Okay, now I'm gonna teach you the parts of the skid steer. Come on! Ooh, this right here? Yeah, this is a bucket. It's pretty big. And these are the hydraulic cylinders that attach to the attachment. Woo! And the loader arm, wow! The loader arm is what lifts up the attachment and down the attachment. And this hydraulic cylinder is the loader arm hydraulic cylinder. Oh, look! These, yeah, are the wheels and the tires. Whoa! 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 Come on! Whoa. Back here is where the engine of the skid steer is. Look at this. Whoa! 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 Check this out. Wow! We have the radiator, where you put the oil, the diesel, the air filter. Oh, and my favorite part, whoa, where you check the engine oil. Do you see it? Yep, looks pretty good. Let's put that back right there. Okay. Let's close this. Okay, let me show you some more. These are pretty important. Look, these are the auxiliary hydraulics. This is what the attachments get its power from. Whoa, wow. Whoa, so shiny. Ooh, look. Wow, this right here? Yeah, it's not a skid steer. No, this is a compact track loader. And the reason why they call that is because right here, these are tracks. They're not wheels and tires. These tracks are really good to go over mud and dirt, and you won't get stuck. Whoa! 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 Driving the skid steer. Okay, now I'm gonna take off the bucket, and then we're gonna choose a different attachment. Watch this. Did you see what I just did? See? This is where the attachments attach to. Whoa! Well, now that there's nothing here, I think we should go find one. Whoa! Look at all of them. Well, that's the bucket, obviously. And then some pallet forks used to pick up some pallets. Whoa! And then the trencher, it digs some trenches. We'll come back here. Whoa! Look at all these bristles. This is called Sweeper McGee. And it cleans a bunch of roads and driveways and streets. Ooh! And some auger bits. Look at these. They're like giant screws. And then a Harley rake. This is used to prepare some soil. And then over here, we just have a bunch of grapple buckets. Wow. Okay, now we need to pick one of our favorites. How about, yeah, some pallet forks. Okay, come back here. I'm gonna hop back in, and then we'll go grab the pallet forks. Watch. Alright, you have to get nice and straight. Okay, there they are. Oh, line it up, perfect. And to know if you got it, you have to curl the attachment. So let's see if it falls off. Oh, see? It just fell off. Good thing we tested that. Okay, now we gotta try it again. Okay, I think it's locked in, but like I said, we have to test it. So check this out. Yeah! It didn't fall off, so we're good to go! Now, let's go pick up a pallet! Over here. Take the pallet parts. Okay, straight. Lower it. Perfect. Okay, I think we're good to go. Slowly but surely, let's lift it up. Yeah, we did it! You see all that? There's a bunch of garbage next to the pond. I think we should clean it up and dump it out. Okay, we have a bucket. Put in the bucket. Ooh, ew. I love cleaning up the environment. Okay, here we go. Woo, come over here. Look, another trash bag. Okay, and then, oh, a nice chair. Looks like someone fell through though. Okay, put that in the bucket. Oh, here's another. That's a lot of trash we cleaned up. Good job. Woo! And we have a piece of cardboard. Oh, what's this? Looks like a cable. Gotta get that. Whoa, where does it go to? Whoa! Whoa! This was in the swamp down there. Oh! Look! It's a vacuum from the 1700s. We should throw that away too. Okay. Ooh, and a couple more. Looks like we have another trash bag and some kitty litter. Woo! Okay. Wow. Good job. You. Okay, now let's go to the dumpster and dump it out. Okay, let's go. Alright, get up there. Alright. Looks good right there. Okay, here we go! Whoa! helped out the environment. Okay, now it's time for the skid steer song. Hey now, looky here. I got a brand new skid steer. A small engine-powered machine, and it can do most anything. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. My skid steer can load a truck, push some heavy things and carry heavy stuff. It can dig down in the dirt, like basements under homes built into the earth. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. Little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. It's multi-terrain, that means it works everywhere. It rolls on 4 wheels and on tracks as well. That's my skid steer. My skid steer. Dig down in the my skid steer. Down in the my skid steer. Dig down in the my skid steer. Dig down in the my skid steer. Woo! That was so much fun learning about skid steers today with you. If you want to watch more of my videos, you know what to do. Yep, just search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job! Well, see you again. Bye-bye!
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun.
See you later! Hey! It's me, Blippi! Ooh, and look at what I have! Some tasty vegetables! They were really healthy. But I'm really full now. And after you eat a nice, healthy meal, guess what you get to eat next? Yeah! Dessert! And today, we are at Bohm's Candy in Issaquah, Washington. This is gonna be so tasty! Come on! Oh, look at this place. Yum! Oh, I don't even know what that is, but it looks so good. Whoa! Hey, some caramel. Ooh, some chocolate. Yum! Hey, I think we should learn how to make some of these tasty treats. Woohoo! Ooh, chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. I sure do love chocolate. Hey, look at it. Look at it come out of the sprout right here. Do you see? Whoa! And look at what I have. Ooh, a plastic thing that has some letters on it. Do you know what letter this is? Yeah, it's the letter B. Do you know someone's name that starts with the letter B? Yeah, my name does. Blippi! Hey, I have an idea. Let's fill up one of these B's with warm chocolate. Ready? Whoa. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, look at it! It just scored a bunch of chocolate right there. Okay, now we need to take it right over here. And we need to shake it and get all the air bubbles out of it. And use this chocolate paintbrush, or a chocolate brush. Okay, turn it on. Whoa! All right, now that all of the air bubbles are out of here, let's put it in the fridge. Hey, do you know why we're putting it in the fridge? Yeah, because remember earlier I said the chocolate is really warm and we need to cool it down so then it gets nice and hard. Chocolate is hard when it's cold. See? No chocolate on my fingers. All right, now the next step, put it on this tray and we need to pop it out. Okay, here we go. Yeah, look, a chocolate bee. Bee. What other words can we think of that start with the letter B? Brown? Yeah, this chocolate is the color brown. What about bee? Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, like a bumblebee. Okay, let's put it in this box. Box also starts with the letter B. Okay, bye-bye, bee. There we go. Hey, speaking of boxing up chocolate, check it out. Whoa. Okay, ooh, whoa. Look at what she's doing. She's putting a lot of chocolate in all of these boxes. Wow, good job.
Indeed, thank you, sir.
Are you having fun?
Oh, Blippi, I'm having a lot of fun, I really am.
Cool, well this is what it's gonna look like when she's all done.
Isn't that beautiful?
It sure is. Okay, now let's complete the process. So, we need to take this box of chocolates, put this pad on top, and then this flyer, Bohm's Chocolates. Put it right on top, and then let's put the top of the box on, slide it inside the plastic, push it onto the conveyor belt, shut it. Ooh, perfect. Okay, now we need to take this heat gun, and this is called shrink wrap. It tightens up the plastic, makes it nice and tight. There we go. Oh, this is kind of fun. Whoa, whoa, yeah, that's looking real good. Okay, there we go. Let's flip it to the back. And then, once it's nice and warm and tight, then you put on a bow. Yep, just on the top, then on the bottom. And voila! See, got a beautiful box. Beautiful and box start with the letter B. And Bohm's does too. Now I can take it home. Woo! Ooh, B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Woo! This candy looks so tasty. Oh, it's on a really long conveyor belt. I wonder how it works. Oh, can I try? Sure. Look over here. Let's take 2 pieces. Let's put 1 piece there, and let's put the second piece right there. And then it goes down this really long conveyor belt. Oh. This adds chocolate to the bottom. Wow. That's cool looking. Ooh. And then it dries a little right here, and it goes really slow. Do you see how slow it's moving? Oh, hey, look! Another part that adds chocolate to the bottom. Wow. That's really fascinating to watch. Now that there's 2 layers on the bottom, the next part is right here. What are you doing?
I'm covering the mountaineers with a lot of chocolate so there's no holes.
Ooh, so they're putting a lot of chocolate up top. Oh, look. That looks tasty. Meet me on the other side. Whoa, what are you doing?
I'm adding white chocolate snow to the Mount Rainier.
Ooh, check it out, white chocolate snow. Whoa, it's looking tastier and tastier. And then, right here, it cools down. And then, meet me over here. Ooh, what are you doing?
Putting these chocolates on the tray.
Oh, these chocolates that are complete now go on the tray. Watch. Whoa. Wow, check them out. Yum! Look at them. They're like little triangles with some snow on top, just like Mount Rainier. Wow. Yum! Ooh, look. I have some chocolate in this plastic tube. I cut the bottom off, and now I can make a masterpiece. Ready? Whoa, it's coming out. Okay, let's draw a triangle. Oh, there we go. Good job. Now, how about a rectangle? Ooh, that rectangle kind of looks like a chocolate bar. Hey, here's a chocolate bar. Let's spell my name together. Ready? B L I P P I. Yeah, look, Blippi. That looks tasty. What else can we draw? I know, a bunch of squiggly lines. Whoa! Whee! Whoa! Oh, there we go. When that dries, it's gonna be super tasty. Oh. Whoa! Look at this. This is a giant bar of chocolate. Whoa! It's really heavy. Oh! Jeez! Have you ever seen a bar of chocolate this big? I sure haven't. Okay, what I'm about to do is gonna get really messy. So, the first thing we have to do is wear an apron. Perfect. So let's tie it on the back. Ooh! Now that I have an apron on, woohoo! We can smash this bar of chocolate. But hey, this looks like a hammer, right? But this isn't a normal hammer. This hammer is only used to smash this big bar of chocolate. Ready? Yeah! Yeah! That was awesome! One more. Another one. There we go. Now, it's in a lot smaller pieces, but still really big. So, let's take this over to the heater. But first, we need to take the cover off of the heater. And then, oh look! They did it for me. Thank you. Ooh, check it out. Look! Whoa, that looks like some tasty chocolate. This heats up the chocolate, so then it melts. All right, here we go. Look. All right, put the tray back. And then we need to take this big bowl and put it right down here. Because when I open this, a lot of melted chocolate's gonna come out. Ready? Whoa! Whoa! Oh, that looks so tasty. Ah, whoa, it's really heavy. Okay, let's take the chocolate up here. And what we're gonna do is make some Rocky Road. Do you know what Rocky Road is? Really tasty. All right, so since that chocolate was really warm, we let this cool down just for a little bit. See? Here's some tasty chocolate that's just slightly cooler. All right, so we have some chocolate, and then we take some nuts. Looks pretty good. And then we also take some marshmallows. Let's put the marshmallows in first. And we mix them all up together. Whoa, okay, here we go. Whoa, look. Whoa, yep. You have to mix the chocolate and the marshmallows really good together. So then you see no white, you only see chocolate. We're almost there. Ooh, all right, looks pretty well mixed. Do you see that? Looks like chocolate covered marshmallows. All right, now we need to put the nuts in there. So let's sprinkle them in, stir it up. Okay, here we go, let's stir it up. Ooh, now that looks tasty. All right, so the next thing we have to do is take it out and put it on the table. It's gonna get really messy. So the first thing we should do is put on these really big gloves. Look how big these gloves are. They go all the way up my arm. Whoa! And then let's put on this other one. Okay. Whoa. I have 2 giant gloves on. 1, 2. And then let's put another set of these small gloves on. Now we are ready. Let's give it one last stir. Okay. Let's put the mixing spoon right over there. And what we're trying to make are really big logs that look like this. Do you see this? Whoa, that looks tasty. So let's take this, put it on the table, and make it into a really long mound. Ready? Whoa! Ah, it feels so mushy, and it smells so tasty. Whoa. There we go. Oh, this is so much fun. Okay, there's a little bit more. Okay. This is a bowl that I sure want to lick. Okay, a little bit more. All right, I think that's all of it. So, put that right there. And now I'm gonna shape it into a really long mountain type of shape that has a mound. Oh, does that look good? Or does that look good? All right, so now what we do is let it dry, and then we enjoy. Good job. Check it out. Now Now that's what I call rocky road. Ooh, do you see what I'm doing? I am washing my hands, and I'm washing them really good because what I'm about to do requires me to use my hands. All right, let's dry them off real quick. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh, all right. Now my hands are really clean. So I'm gonna use my hands as thermometers. Do you know what thermometers are? Thermometers help you check the temperature. Come through here. Whoa. And the temperature of this chocolate that I'm gonna use is really important. And that's why I'm not using any gloves. So I can touch the chocolate and make sure the temperature is perfect. Do you see this chocolate right here? It's really warm. So let's take some and put it on the table. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. I'll put that right there. And then you spread it around, just like this. And what we're doing right here is making truffles. Whoa, she's really good. Go look. Wow, that's fascinating. See, I'm moving my hand around the chocolate to make sure it's the perfect temperature. All right, feels pretty perfect to me. So then with my left hand, I'm going to grab some of this peanut butter. And I'm gonna take some of this white stuff, put it right there, spread it around. Oh, I have to keep moving my right hand. It's pretty tricky. It's kind of like rubbing your belly and patting your head at the same time. Okay, let's see. It's really hard. And it feels so smooth. Okay, that's gonna be the closest I can get to it. See? Kind of looks like a perfectly round circle ball. Okay, let's put it in my hand. Boop. Oh, whoa! Okay, and then looks like I put it on this tray, just like what she's doing. And do a little swirl. Yeah. That looks pretty good. Let's make the next one a little bit bigger. All right. I'm not very good, but practice makes perfect. Okay, here we go. All right, throw it in my hand again. Boop. Ooh. All right, here we go. Whoa, that one has a lot of chocolate. Here we go. Oh, go watch her again. All right, I'll make one last one. There we go. Swirl it around. Put it right there. Let's squeeze some chocolate on top. Whoa! That looks like a tasty truffle. All right, now that I'm all done, let's go wash my hands again. Let's go over here. Okay. Whoa! All right, like I said, I'm all done. And those chocolates are gonna be so tasty. You know what other chocolate might be tasty? Yeah, I'm gonna lick the chocolate off my hands because I'm all done with the production of the truffles. And then I'll wash my hands immediately after. That was super tasty. you, thank you.
Have a great day.
Yum! I am so excited to eat this. Doesn't it look tasty? Whoa. Wasn't that fun learning about all those tasty treats? Like this. This chocolate dipped ice cream cone. This is gonna be so good. We saw the conveyor belt, we made some truffles. Oh hey, some friends. Whoa, let's try some. How's the sweet treats, kids? Real good. Well, that was so much fun learning what we learned today at Bohm's Candy Shop. Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Good job. All right, see you soon. Bye-bye. Look at what it is! It's a Hart public transportation bus! Yeah! Are you ready to learn about buses with me? Yeah! Let's go! Now let's check out the inside of the bus. Come on. Whoa, here we go. Wow, look, this is where the bus driver sits. Whoa, I'll show you more of this area later. But first, let's go check out the back of the bus. Yeah. Whoa, there's so many seats you can sit in. Like this one right here. Or this one. Or even this one. Whoa! 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 What's this? Whoa! It's really bright out there. This is a second door. There's a back door and a front door. That's really cool. Oh, and look, these are handles for when all the seats are taken up. You gotta stand, but you have to hold on to something really tight. Whoa! 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 All right, okay, one last thing before I show you the driver's seat. Come here. Okay, this lets the bus driver know that your stop is near. Listen. Okay, now I'm gonna show you where the bus driver sits. Whoa. Bus driver Blippi! Bus driver Blippi! Whoa! I'll get you a ticket right here. Here's your ticket. Whoa! Heart. Okay, I'll swipe it for you. All right, you're ready to go. But first, everyone, take your seat. Take your seat, everyone. We are gonna have some fun times on this bus ride. Whoa, this is so cool. Whoa, what's this do? Do you know what this does? This is the horn of the bus. Let's do it again. Yeah! All right, I'm gonna shut the door with this. Watch. Okay. Shutting the door, shutting the door. That's so great! Go on and take a seat, partner! Whoa! This blue bus is really big! Whoa! We are at a maintenance shop of the buses! Oh, come here! Look at all these cool gadgets! Like this hose clamp. Oh, that's cool. And then, whoa! A really big bolt! Wow! And a smaller bolt with a nut and some washers on it. There's so many cool things right here. Let me show you some more great things at this maintenance shop. Whoa! Look, hold on. This is all the maintenance records of all the buses. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to do some maintenance on a bus. Let's go. Okay, here we are. This is the back of the bus. This is where the engine is. Whoa, there's big belts and the engine. And look right here. This is where you check the oil. Yep, you knew that already. Let's check the oil. Pull out the dipstick. Wipe it off. Put the dipstick back in. Check the level. Looks full to me. So, I think we are ready to take the bus for a spin. Let's go. Now it's time for a bus ride. You want to go on a bus ride? Yeah, let's go. Look, here we. Oh no, the door just shut. Oh no. Oh no, they're leaving without us. Wait. Don't leave me. Hold on. Stop. Wait. Oh, it stopped. Come on. Oh. Jeez, we were late for the bus. Okay, that's one reason why you always need to be on time for the bus. Come on. Take a seat. We made it. Whew, that was a close one. Whoa, look. So cool.
There's a place in town where you need to go, back to your home or the store that's down the road. Get on the bus and it will take you there, riding through the town, going everywhere. Just one ticket is all you need, but don't forget to let the driver see. Take a bus to work, a bus to a friend. You can even take it to another land. So let's all ride the bus. 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 There's a yellow bus that goes to school. There's a blue and a green and a red bus too. Let's all ride the bus. Let's all ride the bus. You can catch a bus where you see this sign. It's a bus stop and there you wait for for your ride. But let the others get off before you take your seat. And then you say to the driver, "One ticket, please." Listen to the driver call out each stop. Press the bell when it's yours and it will drop you off. Take a bus to work, a bus to a friend. You can even take it to another land. So let's all ride the bus. 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 There's a yellow bus that goes to school. There's a blue and a green and a red bus too. Let's all ride the bus. Let's all ride the bus. And let's all ride the bus. Round and round. And let's all ride the bus.